Hello guys, in today's video, I'll show you how you can easily create images using Gemini. Let's begin. So open up your favorite browser. This is going to be the official website. Make sure you are logged into your account, all right? Now, creating images with Gemini is a very quick and easy way to turn your ideas into visuals using AI. So go ahead, click on New Chat. Click on this button over here, the plus icon, and then you will see the option create image. Click on it. Here, they will actually provide you with a template if you are still unsure what type of art style you're trying to use, but it's not absolutely necessary. You can just describe your image. Like for example, I already have a prompt I had here on my notes. I'm just going to simply copy paste it over here. But you could just be very simple. You could just try to say like I would like to depict a something, a human being or a car or a toy. Go ahead and try to mention your art style. All right. So I have here a prompt I made with ChatGPT. Just click on this button or hit enter. And also you can actually attach reference image if you want. So click on enter and this might take a few seconds to a minute. Just be patient. This will create your image. Gemini is working on it. So I'm just going to fast forward on the video and provide you with the final product. Oh, okay. So it actually just took like a few seconds. And there you go. This is actually what I need. The same art style I expected and wanted Gemini to do and make for me. And that's it. That's how you can easily get this done. Gemini can generate a wide variety of images, art styles, and can always make adjustments to get closer to the exact result you have in mind. So, for example, this is not actually what you want. You might click on this and add any text, or just simply ask Gemini to remove some certain aspects on it, like color, the lights, anything you would like to get revised. That's it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video very helpful.